Happy little pooper day! Oh, hey, Sonny. Who's going home pretty soon, Sonny? Yeah, don't know about that. Blackie's coming up, going home too. There's little pink collar. She'll be the only boo-boo pretty soon. Only boo-boo pooper. I think that's Blackie right there trying to get that. Blackie! Hey, Blackie. There, Blackie. Who's fixing to go home today, Blackie? Said, Mama, y'all gonna come after me today? Yeah, Blackie says. Sonny's even gonna go home. He sure is. Sonny's had to see everybody leave. First, Sonny seen all of his brothers and sisters, and Tammy's and his stepbrothers and sisters go home. And then Sonny seen all of Abby's big boys go home. And now he's been watching all of Boo Boo's puppies go home. But I'm really happy for him though. He gets to go home, I think this Saturday, huh, big boy? Yeah. There's Blackie again, man. Blackie. What you want, Blackie? Blackie turned into a pretty good sized pooper too. Go on, Blackie. I'm just happy this morning. Watch me, Mama. Look at me go. It's about time they actually would be going outside tomorrow, I think. The poor old Blackie never gonna make it outside though. What Blackie doing? Oh, okay, enough about Blackie. He's a happy pooper. He gets to go home. He's just sitting there playing, chilling, huh? Okay, let's see. Ariel, here's your little turquoise boy. We got a turquoise collar on him. So, Ariel, that's your little turquoise boy. Turquoise boy, yeah. There's old Blue Bone. Oh! Yo, Blackie, you don't need that, Blackie. Yeah, I do. It's something to play with. We're just chilling, Ma. Watch me, Ma. Oh no, guys, I don't need that rag in here. Blackie! Please, that guy, mine, yes it is. Blackie! No, guys! So far, asses. I can't get it away from Blackie. I'm happy I can go see Mom and Daddy. And family. Guys, they're not playing tug of war with the purple towel. Well, I guess we are. Sonny wants to play with it. Guys, you're tearing all the blanket up. Give me the blanket. Give me the towel. Hey. I can't get the towel away from them. They're two happy boys. Oh, I got it away from one of them. You're not going to let this blanket towel go, are you? Come on, Sonny. Okay, we got it away from y'all. That's enough, Blackie. I got to get Blackie's shot records ready and all that good stuff. No, you don't, Sonny. Sonny, you be a good boy, Sonny. Says happy this morning, just chilling, Mama. Hey, Camo boy. Hey, y'all. I'm Camo, the pooper. They say a pink girl, she'll be the only boo-boo girl. And I think she might be going home. I'm not for sure about little pink collar. I thought I'd talk to somebody. Who is that? I can't see. Blue Bone, I think. I guess I've guessed we got everybody together since there's only Blackie and pink girl and pink collar girl. Boo Boos and black collar. Okay, here's Red Bone. Here's little Daisy girl. Or yellow Daisy. Aw, guys. I love you, and I'm definitely gonna miss you, little turquoise boy. I sure tore a new one on my blankets. God. I just tore that blanket up to crapping back.
Sonny says, yeah, Mama, look at me. I'm a happy puppy. We can see Mama pretty soon.
Well, the funny is he's always been the big boy. And now he's going to run into a big brother of his. It actually is his brother, too. Well, stepdaddy, though. They had different daddies, though. Yeah, his brother's a little few months old now. Probably maybe 6 months old or so. That's his mother's only boy she ever had, though. She had one little boy, and she ended up wanting her, so she ended up getting. Well, look at Sonny go. He just chilling and peeling, though. Yeah, see how he's dominating these little poopers? That's Ariel's little pooper. Don't pick on. Now he wants to go after Blackie. Or who is that? Yeah, no, that's Pink Girl. Pink collar. Oh, they're just filled with it this morning, guys. Look at that one biting on somebody's tailbone. Little pink collar with white, with little circles. Look at Sonny.
I'm the big boy in the yard.
Oh, I sure hope the wind's not blowing today. It hits 45, 48. These guys are going to sneak outside for their first appearance outside, huh?
What do you think they're doing, Sonny?
I got to get everything ready, guys. Guess we need to feed these little poopers. We thought we'd just stick them all in here together. One last big puppy romp. Look at that little girl. Sonny's really funny, though. He could overpower that girl, but he won't. He's going to let that little pink collar girl, have at him. He's going to go there and find him somebody to play with, and he's trying to run off and hide her.
Yeah, we did happy puppies out here.
Oh, guys. Oh, little turquoise boy of Ariel's. Yeah.
Hey, Mama. We be here waiting on you, Mama.
Mama's a sheriff, too. Deputy sheriff, I remember right. He got a little bit of that on him, but they'll grow out of it. Little mohawk boy. Ow! Okay, I've got a few things to do. Things.
Look what I'm doing. Me chilling around here. Let's go get Big Sonny. Buy him on tailbone.
Okay, guys. It's about time we feed them. He's gonna have a world of time when he finally gets out of this little kennel, though. He'll probably go outside, though, when it warms up enough. I just can't wait to put him outside. There's Mr. Blue Bones. Okay, guys, let's try to play feed puppies if I can get the blanket about right. How did y'all tear up this blanket? I just put this down, guys. So y'all are hard on the blankets. Every morning I gotta mop the floor, sweep it, mop it, dry it, and put the blankets down. And the puppies always do their best to tear them blankets up.
That's what puppies do best, huh?
I miss you, Blackie. Okay, y'all. I'm Rick, our dreamers, and a couple little boobers, and one big Sonny doing all the dog food out. Sonny. Sonny. Who got that, Sonny? You have a blessed and wonderful day.